ازيكم يا حبايبي اتفضلوا عاملين ايه. In today's video I'm taking you guys with me. I'm in Florida, so I'll show you guys my hotel room and I'll vlog for you guys. I just thought it would be nice to remember and also share with you all as well. This is actually my first time in Florida and I came here for a job interview. And I'm so excited because I just got back from it and I got the job on the spot, which is just like such a blessing. When I tell you guys, yesterday felt like all was lost and today I'm in a hotel in Florida with a new job, a new career, with a whole bunch of different experiences that are just gonna blossom from this opportunity, and I couldn't be more grateful. I'm not gonna cry. But I just wanted to vlog for you guys and show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more future videos. Now I'm about to tell you what I came here for. This is my room for me, myself, and I. And to top it all off, I am a flight attendant. I just got the job on the spot and I'm so freaking excited. Alright you guys, this is my hotel room. Wait, when you walk in, I went ahead and unpacked some shoes already and some things, but you have the bathroom right here. Very nice. And then we have the shower. Oh my god, the shower is actually so nice. Slide in, beautiful. And me. Then we have another mirror right here, which we love. We need a stand-up mirror. And then this is my bed, TV. And this is my workspace. Have a couch. And then you can see Florida right here, little downtown area. Right across over there is the Holocaust Center. I wonder what is in there. Documentation and Education Center, it says. It's so surreal to see these types of trees and the palm trees everywhere. So nice. A microwave, coffee, some snacks that I brought, a fridge, and then more closet space. What you guys think? I'm so happy. King bed all to myself. And that's the room. It is, sorry, the air, I can't control it. It's controlled by the thermostat. Don't mind that. It is the second day today and I just finished getting ready. I'm about to order an Uber and take my drug test. That's the second part of the process of getting the job. So I have an appointment here in Florida. It's very time sensitive. I had to get it in the next 24 to 48 hours, so I decided to go ahead and do it today, get it over with. And then I also have a little hour-and-a-half cruise that I'm going on today, so I'll show you guys. It will take me around all of Fort Lauderdale and I'm so excited about it. I can't wait. Maybe even go down to either Dania Beach or Hollywood Beach since they're fairly close. So when I'm done with my drug test, I'm gonna take you guys around with me. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see everything and get the Fort Lauderdale experience. I feel so alive, and people that are out there that are like me, or that are even going through something similar maybe, or just moving out on their own. I want to say that you can do it. You can do it. You can do it, and you will do it. And you know, you're very strong, and I believe in you, and you need to believe in you, and I'm sure you do, and it will happen. It will happen. Just pray to God, and you know, believe in your faith, have your faith, build that connection, make it very strong and sturdy, and just watch how your life and everything changes. So I just wanted to say that. I'm gonna go get my Uber, finish this drug test, and enjoy my Fort Lauderdale experience.
You're going to head off to the left-hand side here in a moment. That's going to be to your east. Just around the bend to the left, definitely a great spot to have your cameras handy. We're going to sneak out the inlet out to the Atlantic today. Very pretty day there over the ocean. Sit back, relax, enjoy the view and the weather and the ride here for a bit.
And just like that, I was on my flight back home. I had such a great time, you guys, and I'm so excited I was able to capture those moments and share them with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!